Okay, how are you? Very good evening.
Yes, good evening, Sangeeta. I'm so good, so happy to meet you here. And how are you? How is your life treating you?
Yeah, my life is going very good and I'm doing well. Thanks for your concern. Let me introduce yourself, please.
Yes, I'll introduce myself. Thank you for this opportunity. My name is Mahalakshmi. I am from Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore. I did my master's in engineering in computer science department, and I worked as a lecturer in a bank of a couple of years. I'm a mom to two beautiful daughters. I have a channel called Mahalakshmi English Journey, and I have been posting content in this channel, and I'm so happy with this, and I'm content with what I have. You're not audible.
Sorry, I mute myself. I forget.
It's okay. You please tell me about yourself. I would like to know something about you, and is
Yeah, absolutely. My name is Sangeeta. I'm from Tamil Nadu, basically Ero district, near your district. Actually, I studied in Coimbatore, Bhalia University. I did my master MSc Psychology in Bhalia University at Coimbatore. I have also completed Montessori training at Sriya Montessori in at Erode. About my professional experience, I worked as a teacher for 4 years. About my hobbies, recent days I focused on my communication skill. I want to improve. I want to correct my English communication skill. So that's the reason I'm here. Apart from my English language, I watch movie. I love to read book. This is all about me.
okay.
I'm a mother of two children, two mischievous boys. But I
Boys. Okay. I can understand. How about boys? Since I have two daughters, they
yeah,
are very they are very supportive, and I don't need to bother much. And my elder one takes care of my younger one, so it's somewhat easy for me to handle things.
actually, I
Mhm.
know very well about Magalashmi because A to Z, I know very well. How to open your YouTube channel, how to you're struggling, then apart you are resign your bank job, then you regret after that, then your elder daughter support your YouTube channel. Then recently you said the husband teasing you, then like everything I know very
Oh,
so
thank you.
you are very familiar in our home. Whenever I saw, actually, I watch a lot of conversation video like Ram sir, you, then Rajini Verma ma'am, Gayatri ma'am, Santa ma'am, Sunita Adventures, Himalaya ma'am, like. But your special touch because you're in Tamil Nadu, your same criteria also yours my stage also. So that's the reason I know very well. So that's the
Okay.
reason I call easily Magalashmi. Before
Okay.
I had a conversation that ma'am, actually I just called ma'am only. I couldn't feel anything. Just we can always opposite person we can call ma'am or sir. So, but you're very special test. So that's the reason I call Magalashmi because we are in the same and district also near. So that's the reason.
Okay. I'm so happy that we have this connection. Our proximity is very near. Yes, I like this, and yes, I'd like to see our conversation. I would like to dive deep into our conversation. So I would like to ask you, why did you start this channel, and why do you want to focus on your communication skill?
Actually, I I am a beginner stage now. I want to learn, but some procrastination work I couldn't do. I didn't do consistency. So that's the reason. It's any kind of responsibility or how to say demands. Um, Any kind of I forget that word. It's we have some responsibility means we can do consistency without
Okay.
responsibility, without demand, we didn't do anything. So
Yes.
whenever I just say I have a children, I want to manage my home like that. But I want to change that mindset. So that's the reason I open my channel. I want to improve my communication. I do lot of mistake in my communication skill. I want to correct it.
Okay, okay. Yes, you're 100% correct. When we have a channel, we always have that responsibility, right? I have to do something for my channel. In order to do that, we automatically focus on our communication, on our speech, on our mannerism, demeanor, and everything. So it actually helps us to focus more, to improve further.
Yes, that's the reason. I don't want to teach anything, but I want to learn. So that's the reason.
Yes,
Many of the YouTubers suggested the if you want to learn, if you want to consistency, you just open the YouTube channel. It's a kind of funny, but it's one of powerful technique. It's my point of view.
correct. So, how many sessions have you posted so far?
Actually, this is I didn't post any kind of conversation video, but I had a lot of conversation, but I didn't post. Last for December and January month, I took class from English Shari, so I took sections, so that's I posted in my YouTube channel. But the solo video also I posted. This kind of the YouTube conversation, the YouTube conversation, I didn't do anything.
Okay, so conversational videos with English tutors you have posted so
Posted.
far.
15,
So, how
15.
many you have posted so far from English tutors?
Actually, I took a class 32 session,
Okay,
but I posted only 15.
okay. So, how do you feel after posting all those videos and after having the conversations? Do you think that you have improved?
Actually, when I started my YouTube channel, I have only 40 subscribers. After I
Okay.
posted the English Yari conversation videos, I got a more than 130 class.
Oh,
130. Now I
fantastic.
but comparing to you're working in the last 1 year, so you got a good subscriber, then you got a salary also 9,000, I think. Am I correct? Yeah, I watched every video yours, so that's the reason I know
Oh.
each and everything.
Thank you so much. You are making me, what can I say? Thank you so much. I don't know what I'm going to do for this love and this caring. And whenever I feel demotivated, I really, some messages popped up. Like today, even I got one message from Andhra Pradesh. Ma'am was saying, I like your simplicity and I like your way of speaking and I like your smile. I was really thinking whether am I going right and whether I'm working on it or somewhat. So after seeing that message, see this kind of motivation I'm getting daily. Only this, because of all this, I am doing and I am going further.
Okay, okay, sounds good. Actually, it's one of energetic and boosting ourselves. Whenever we lose our courage or hope, that time this kind of the message only motivated ourselves. Excellent.
Right.
You actually you always blessing. You have two daughters and you have the YouTube channel, good subscribers, everything.
Okay, thank you so much. And it's see, it's a part of our thing. But first thing is we have to think of ourselves. First, we have to motivate ourselves to do something to do beyond the limit. Yes. Okay, tell me what type of thing you are doing, what type of practice you are doing for English.
Actually, I followed the four pillar: the reading, writing, listening, speaking. Whenever I get a free time, I most of 50% I focus on my speaking skill. That
Okay.
remaining 50%, one day I do the reading or listening something, then another day I want to do writing like that. Um, then every day I just do 15 minutes of pronunciation
Okay.
structures. So because I thought I was weak, so that's the reason I do
Okay.
every day. Otherwise, I follow everything.
Okay. So what about your children? Are they going for school? Do they go?
Sorry, they're making a lot of sound. The disturbance is here.
It's okay. It's okay. It's part of our life. First priority for us is our family, our children. Then comes YouTube, our improvement, and everything.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay.
Actually,
Tell me, is what your sons are doing?
yeah.
Do
My,
they go to school?
yes, yes. My elder son is studying the first standard. My younger one is 3.5 years old. We are planning to put nursery next month or this month end. More than next week, I think. We are planning to go put the admission nursery.
Okay. So when he goes to school, you'll get some time.
Yes, absolutely. So I'm waiting for it. I'm eagerly waiting for that time. I want to improve a lot, so I'm eagerly waiting.
Yes,
That is,
correct, correct. I can truly understand your position. From your eyes, I can understand that. Okay, so which is your hometown? Erode itself is your hometown?
actually, yes. Actually, we are Erode district. My mother hometown Komarapalayam Bhavani Kudurai. My
Okay.
husband home Erode district and Erode town. So it's more than 20 minutes traveling time. So wherever I want to say the Erode, like. But
Okay,
currently,
okay.
currently I'm in Dubai.
Dubai.
Yes.
Oh, it is like adventure now. Being in Dubai is not an easy task nowadays, right?
Yeah, last 2 weeks I didn't do anything. Actually, I'm afraid of the missile sound, the rocket, the flight sounds. So I'm very afraid. Today only I can started because of you. Seriously. And last 2 weeks, I'm very, very afraid. I couldn't explain the words.
Okay, so how long have you been in Dubai?
More than 8 years.
More than 8 years. I think you have some disturbances. Is someone there near to you?
No.
Okay, it's okay,
Actually,
never mind.
they obey my word. Sometimes I go say I have the class, I have the session. Please don't disturb me. They listen and they obey my words. But today, I don't know.
Yes.
They
See,
are.
when we have some important work to do, that time we'll get the distraction, so many disturbances. It is there. I can understand. Leave it. So when will you go to India? When will you come here to our nation?
Actually, we every year we plan to July, August. It's our vacation time in here, summer vacation time. But nowadays, we are in critical situation. We don't know that flight is safe or not here.
Okay.
Actually, still now, by God grace, we are safe, no issues. But we believe our government, so that's the reason we are afraid. Still now, we have the afraid, but we want to stay here and that
Okay.
I don't know that what happening next.
Okay.
We just
So, do
pray
you
the
have any
God
questions for me? I have been asking you so many questions. I'm not allowing you
because
to
I
ask.
don't have any questions because I know very well. So that's the reason I don't have any questions. But last 1 week, I am one question nagging my mind. I want to share with you. I want to know what's your opinion.
Okay.
Okay, it is the simple question, but it's one of the powerful question, I think.
Okay.
Can you ask that question?
Yes, you can ask me the question.
Actually, last March 8, we have crossed the Women's Day. Am I correct?
Okay. Yes.
So that time, that Women's Day related question. Okay. I learned this question one of our Tamil movie.
Okay.
Who decides who decides woman's expiry date for her dreams?
Yes, from 36 ವಯದಿನಿಲೆ.
36 years. Yes.
Okay, it's B. we only decide our own expiry date. It's up to us.
Yeah, you don't like is it a society or a family pressures?
No,
No.
no. See, when you deliberately want something to be done, you stand on that. You will not allow anyone to spoil your dream. It's you. There is a famous story. I don't know whether we have time for that or not. Are you listening?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Why your eyes are somewhere and I am not able to see you. I don't know whether you are concentrating on the video or not.
Okay. Actually, my camera is down. Actually, this I using my computer. My camera is
Okay.
down, so I want to up and down. So that's the reason my eyes is going around here, there.
Okay. Okay. See, we have to decide on our own.
Okay.
When you want something to be done, you stand on it. You say someone that I need it deliberately and I'm not going to lose it for any other sake. So it's with us, and we can see that now there are so many women who are coming out of their shell, out of their cocoon, and they are just going out with some different colors, with vibrant colors. So it is in our hand. No one is ready or dare or even enough to find or fix an expiry date for a woman.
Okay.
It's my point of view, because it's within us. We can do anything. We can just with a matchstick. We can do to cook a rice for someone. We with a matchstick we lamp a light, and with a matchstick we can light the whole house. So it
Yes.
is within us. It is within us, and yes, that even one stick of fire can ignites. Okay,
Okay.
many of the other women. So it is always within our hand, within our reach. We should keep everything accessible to us. So no, we should not allow others to fix the expiry date for our wish, for our growth.
Absolutely correct.
Okay. So what is your take on this question?
Could you ask again?
Is what is your point
What
for
is
this
my
question?
Okay. Actually, last 2 weeks already I told you, no, the last two weeks I didn't do anything. So that time I just see our Tamil movie. At the time, I learned from this question in Tamil movie. So after that I realized. Uh, After I realized the not the 100 postage the women's not do like that. Okay, the only nowadays we are living in digital world, so that's the reason the 75% of women's doing their patient and their wish or dreams like. But remaining the 30%, why they are stuck in home? They don't have any capability or don't have any options. They don't have any dreams like that. I'm asking in myself. So
Okay.
at the time only I saw your YouTube channel also. That time you are sad that Nandakumar sir, my husband actually don't show up by my English, my relative like that. So at the time you take a good decision, you take a fulfill your dreams. So you come out from your comfort zone. Now you are standard independently and you earn independently. Somehow your husband, whenever they have any doubt, he will come and ask doubt. So your stand unique. Why the other 30% of women not do like that? So he and still now they family and the husbands loves their family and wives everything, but they know or unknowingly they put some limits of the
Yes.
opportunity. So
Yes. Correct.
that's the reason they didn't do. Sometimes
Yes.
they many people say this is not the right time. You're the very this is too late. You can't do this like that type of the negative words observing the person. She may think we can't do or it is too late like that. That's that is on self-doubt. They have the self-doubt. So that's the reason also they didn't do. But I'm not that category. I want to trust my I want to achieve my dreams, and I want to become a fluent speaker. So that's the reason I want to achieve my section. So I want to say all women, they have the dreams, but they should believe that dream is alive. Dreams doesn't have any expiry date or anything. It's not a product or not a milk. Okay, these dreams doesn't have any expiry date. So they want to do something. They want to live independently without dependence.
Yes, you just hit the nail on the head. You are absolutely correct, and it's up to us. And who else is there to fix a limit for us? It's only we. We are setting some rules. We don't want to come out of our comfort zone, as you said. We are just want to confine ourselves with ourselves with the four walls. So we
Yes.
should not allow others to fix the expiry date for our dreams. When you desperately want something, you have the power to shed the shackles and come out of your comfort zone.
Yes.
Yes, somehow we have to weather the storm and come out of our comfort zone. It's really need of the hour. We don't want to depend on others for anything, right? We should be
Yes.
able to do everything on our own. It's not like we are not arrogant. We are not. We don't give respect to our family members. It's not like that. It's like independence. It's like empowerment. We don't need others' judgment, others' permission to do our own work.
Yes.
We can have the mutual communication. We have discussed what to do further, but we don't expect their approve for doing something. When we have that environment in our family, then we possibly say that we have reached that level, we have gained that empowerment. That is the need of our.
Yes.
Okay.
We are equal. They want to understand. All are equal is best thing. Do everything.
Yes,
Not only
fine.
language. I want to ask whatever you have the dreams, you just achieve the self. It's age not doesn't matter. It's one of the number. Okay. We want to just learn 30 plus or 40, 60 or 80. Actually, I have part of the WhatsApp group. They are many of the people crossed 50. But because they have a desire, they want to achieve their life. They was younger, they was after marriage, they had a lot of responsibility. They did 70 to 80% of the responsibility. After that, they come and learn this language. So I am appreciated them seriously. Every day I am appreciated them.
Okay. Fine. So what's your next plan for your channel? Now you have started uploading conversational videos from English Yari Tutors. So what's your next plan? What's your next move for your
Actually,
channel?
next month, once my younger one goes to school, means I have the time. So at the time, I subscribe my English Shari. Then I want to take a class like you, because you are the second subscriber, second time. First you
Okay.
did everything. Am I correct?
Pardon? I'm not getting you. What?
Actually, English Series, now you are doing the English Series section. This is the second time or the first time?
Which one?
The English Series section, the classes, English Series classes.
No, second time I think. I
Second
have
time.
completed several sessions. Now I have completed more than 100 sessions from English Yari.
Yeah. I know. That this is the second subscription plan with yours.
No, not second. I think more than two.
Okay. Okay, but I have planned to take a classes next month. Then I want to make the YouTubers conversations, and I want to upload,
Okay.
as well as I can focus on my pronunciation.
Okay. Fine, fine. My best wishes for you and all the best. And I really appreciate you. You have come forward to do all this just to improve your speaking skills, improve your communication skills. My wholehearted wishes for you. Do well, great, achieve great things.
Thank you. Thank you for your valuable time that